Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your pet in pantry slot using this pet pouch in Corndog Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, in this update guys, you will be able to craft this pet pouch. You can go to the cosmetic or crafting, and then you can go to the select recipe, and this is the recipe to create pet pouch. You need one common egg, corn dog, small treat, small toy, and also 50 million shekels. And to create this corn dog, to get the corn dog, you need to get cooking kit on your garden, and then you can cook corn dog. Okay, and then I'm going to use this pet pouch on my garden. Okay, we can click anywhere to use it like this. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.